What's up, everybody? If you're new, my name is Desha and I do makeup, and if you're coming back, then just go ahead and take a seat and watch this video. Today we are going to be reviewing some TikTok makeup hacks because TikTok is about to go away soon. By the time this video goes up, TikTok will probably be gone. So I just wanted to do a video of some TikTok makeup hacks to see if they actually work. And we're going to go ahead and do a full face of makeup to go with these TikTok hacks. Are you guys ready for this video? Let's go ahead and jump straight in. So for this first TikTok hack, I've actually seen this before. So what she's doing is she's putting a bunch of dots on her face and then she's blending it out, which honestly, that sounds pretty genius, but I'm a little bit worried that it might get kind of muddy and kind of patchy. So let's go ahead and test out this hack and see if it is a good and efficient, time-saving way to do your makeup. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and applied the concealer dots all on my face. I used the NARS concealer. Now let's go ahead and do the contour. So I'm looking at the video and she put the dots like right here on her nose. She also put some on her forehead, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so I've put the contour dots everywhere on my face using this e.l.f. Halo Glow contour wand, using this ColourPop liquid blush in the shade Angel Face. And I'm looking at it right now, and guys, this looks crazy. I look crazy. Is this even gonna work? Now I'm actually starting to doubt this. But we're gonna go ahead and spray it with some setting spray, and then we are going to blend it all out. Alright guys, so now we're gonna blend this out and see if this actually is a legit hack. Moment of truth, guys. I'm gonna start by blending out the concealer. I'll see you guys when the concealer is all blended. Alright guys, here's the concealer all blended out. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the contour. Alright guys, here's the contour all blended out, and now we are going to be blending out the blush. So I'm just gonna blend out the blush that is on my cheeks right here. Alright guys, here's how it looks all blended out. I think it looks decent. I'm looking at myself in the mirror right now. I think it looks pretty decent, but one thing I would change about it is the placement of the contour. I feel like it's a little bit too low on my face and it goes like a little bit too far down on my face. It's different from what I would usually do. It's a nice change. Is it something I would do on the regular? Definitely not. Is it a good time saver? I guess it is. I think I would rate this a 7 out of 10. I feel like this is a solid 7 out of 10. So let's go ahead and move on to the next hack. Alright guys, this next makeup hack is going to show us how to do a quick smoky eye.
If you pack some brown eyeshadow in the inner and outer corners and then dab over it to blend it out, then use a black gel pencil in the inner and outer corners only to smudge it out with a sponge tip applicator, and then apply a highlighter right in the center of the lid.
Alright, so just like the hack said, we're going to go ahead and put some right here, under here, or right here. Alright guys, so I went ahead and blended the eyeshadow out, and honestly, I think that it looks pretty good. I'm not the best at blending eyeshadows and stuff like that, but I think that this is an easy way to blend your eyeshadow if you're bad at it like me. We're gonna take some black eyeliner pencil, and as you can see, I went ahead and I already put it right here and right here. Now we're gonna try and blend that out. Now this is a little bit awkward because I've never tried blending out pencil. Alright guys, I am done blending it out, and I did add a little bit more pencil like to right here. For the final step of this hack, you're going to take a lighter color and we're going to put that right in the middle like that, and then we're going to go ahead and blend that out. Guys, this had no reason to serve this hard. Why does this look so good? Out of a 10, I think this hack is good, so I'm gonna give this about a 9. And let's go ahead and move on to our next hack. Alright guys, this next makeup hack is gonna show us how to fix a mistake that I'm pretty sure that like anybody who's been doing makeup has ran into. So have you ever been doing your mascara, just accidentally like rub it on your face like that? Because that happens to me almost every day. Here's a hack that can help you fix it. it's telling us how to get rid of this. And basically what you want to do is you want to let it dry and then wipe it away with a spoolie. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this mascara dry. I'm pretty sure that this mascara spot is dry now. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe it away with a spoolie. And the video did say use a very light hand. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to very lightly try and wipe this away. Okay, for the most part it's gone, but you can still kind of see it there. I'm really scared of like rubbing it too hard and it's gonna mess up my base. It just like, it got rid of it, yeah, but like now there's like this like kind of dark spot. Man, that just kind of made me upset. Why is it doing that? For the most part this hack worked, but it kind of made like this weird dark spot on my face. I don't know if that's just because of this wiping away the mascara. Maybe I did something wrong, but I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 4 out of 10. It works, but I just wish it didn't leave behind this like weird dark spot. Alright guys, now it's time for our last hack. And when I saw this hack, I was like, alright, so I actually need to try this because I want to see if this works. So this girl is claiming that she can do her eyeliner in 1 second.
I can do my eyeliner in 3 seconds. Just place it in the angle you want it and easy. Just connect the dots.
I feel like that I might just like crash and burn with this one and it's gonna flop. We're gonna try this and see what happens. So in the video, she just put it right wherever she wanted it to. I'm just gonna put like a little mark of where I want mine. Like right here. And then I'm gonna turn my head. I'm so scared. I'm like shaking. Okay. Okay, so that didn't do anything. Let's try that again. Then she said just like fill in the rest. I'm just gonna go in like this. And there is our wing. Okay, so that actually works. I was expecting this to not work and flop. Let's try it on this eye. Is this just like a one-hit wonder? Let's try. Okay, then I'm gonna trace it and then fill it in. Okay, guys, that actually worked. That hack actually worked perfectly. That worked like exactly how she said it in the video. It could be better, but like honestly, this is my first time doing it. Out of 10, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 10. This is gonna be our first 10 of this video. This is really good. Alright everybody, here is the final look of a full face of TikTok makeup hacks. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye guys.